Hey mate, have you ever really dived into SharePoint and played around with making it do things a bit more of your own way? Well, the good news is I'm going to walk you through the ins and outs of customizing and extending SharePoint to make it work for your specific needs using SharePoint Online. Now, this is no light topic. If you are a tech wizard or just curious to get the reins on your SharePoint deployments, this is going to be your one-stop tutorial. So let me kick things off with this. SharePoint's not just a tool, it's like a canvas where you can paint your company's unique colors. Whether you are looking to add some custom-built web parts or jazz up the app lifecycle with some clever integrations, SharePoint Online has got you covered. Let's set the scene together, shall we? Digging deep into customization doesn't start as a random adventure, it's a strategic move to align SharePoint with your organization's goals. We are talking enhanced user experience and a productivity boost here. Our senior cloud architect, who knows quite a bit about the techie side of things, has put together the lowdown on leveraging SharePoint Online for those customized, tailored benefits that'll make your users' day-to-day tasks way more efficient and personalized. Now, if you are looking to dip your toes in the SharePoint water, this is your chance to swim all the way out to the deeper end. Whether you are new and eager to learn or you are already on top of things, we are going to cover how to craft those custom web parts, link them to Microsoft Power Platform, and smooth out any bumps in the road with some top-notch troubleshooting practices. First off, custom web parts. Think of these babies as your new best friends in SharePoint, their custom content added right to your pages so your users can interact without missing a beat. Creating them can seem daunting, but with Power Apps or the SharePoint framework, you are just a stone's throw away from crafting parts tailored to your team's needs. Got an interactive calendar module in mind? That's what we'll zero in on next. Then, there's Microsoft Power Platform. It's like the Swiss Army knife for business process automation, but it fits nicely with SharePoint Online when it comes to extending SharePoint functionalities. Imagine giving your team the power to automate workflows, access business intelligence directly from SharePoint, or even pull data from virtually any online source with a few clicks within SharePoint. That's the kind of integration magic that could skyrocket productivity levels. But hold on to your hats. With great power comes great responsibility when it comes to customizing SharePoint. We can't just whip up these features out of thin air. Troubleshooting is key. I'm going to make sure we've got robust practices down to check on everything's running smoothly, and if you notice something feels off, you'll be equipped with the skills to diagnose and fix it. Keeping it all secure is also paramount, so no jumping into things blindly. We are about to dive into some serious SharePoint customization techniques here. It's going to be a bit of a journey, but stick with me, and we'll get through creating those killer, custom web parts that will turn heads in your organization. But that's not all. Our journey through the SharePoint wilds will take us towards integrating seamlessly with the Microsoft Power Platform to bring automation and data-driven decision-making to your fortress of SharePoint. It's not just about making SharePoint do the legwork for you, though. The real kicker is making it all run smoothly, securely, and without leaving your users baffled. This might seem like a tall order, but with some hands-on guidance, you'll be nailing those custom scripts with SharePoint framework that feels so natural, your team members won't even realize they're using something that's not standard SharePoint. Now, you might be wondering, do I really need all this? My friend, the simple answer is yes, because this is your shot at making SharePoint sing from the rafters. Aligning the technology with the rhythm of your business processes. Get this process ticking in your favor, and you are not just using a tool, you are sculpting a digital realm where your colleagues can flourish. So, by the end of this deep dive, you should feel like a maestro conducting a symphony of customization in SharePoint. You'll be crafting that perfect note with your custom-built web parts, the seamless flow of automated workflows, and the secure sharing of information across your enterprise. Everyone and everything within your SharePoint ecosystem will be in tune like never before. And let's not forget, because we aim to hit those high notes, we've got to ensure everything's shipshape. Smooth troubleshooting practices mean fewer headaches down the line for you and your team. It's all about keeping the show on the road, ensuring everyone's invited to the party. As we draw this deep dive to a close, remember, your SharePoint Online can be your personal art canvas. So pick up your paintbrush, and let's customize, extend, and elevate SharePoint to the next level. Visit neerajdot.qzz.io and subscribe to TechLab. Trust me, it's the home of your next SharePoint adventure. Catch you there, and let's enjoy the music.